Hello again and welcome to another episode of the Bags and Bobbers YouTube channel. In today's episode, I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the MicroDOT half helmet from MicroDOT Helmet Company. Stay tuned, thanks for watching. Let's get started with the unboxing. So full disclosure, I have already unboxed this helmet and I have already worn it for a couple weeks now to get it broken in so I could do this review. So a couple of the things to love about the MicroDOT helmet here is number one, veteran-owned company. So always want to support our veterans and their companies. But their mission statement here is to get more folks into the motorcycle community by offering them helmets and other gear that are accessible, comfortable for everyday use. So without further ado, I'm going to spin this around and I'm going to give you an unboxing of what we're looking at. Again, full disclosure, I've already worn this helmet for a while. So as you can see, already unboxed, kind of taking the shipping label out. But this is what you're going to see when you open your MicroDOT helmet box. So what you're going to see here is some pamphlets, some information about your purchase. And this is a really cool feature here. They do offer free lifetime accident replacement. In a nutshell, what happens if you're in an accident and your helmet is toast, which if you're in an accident, your helmet's toast if it hits the ground. You do not want to reuse helmets in the event that their structural integrity is compromised due to impacts. So the cool thing from MicroDOT here is if you're in an accident, you can submit a verified police report. As long as you cover shipping and handling, MicroDOT's going to send you a replacement helmet. That's pretty awesome. I can't say there are any other helmet manufacturers that I've seen that offer that. So big ups to MicroDOT for that. So when you choose the expedited shipping option for your MicroDOT helmet, they give you this little face mask situation to cover your face when you're on long rides or you want to keep bugs away. So if the face mask does it for you, they give it to you for free. Choose the upgraded shipping. I mean, it's an extra like 10 bucks, but it's a no-brainer. Get your helmet, get it to you fast. So the way the helmet is going to come is going to have a nice little dust bag situation here, which again for the price, I mean, I'm like at 110 bucks I think into this helmet, somewhere in there. You can't beat it. I mean, you're getting nice packaging, veteran-owned company. You get a dust bag here. If you can't tell, I'm advocating for this helmet already. Now again, full disclosure, I've already worn this helmet, and this is the blister. So the blister is going to be designed for those who have more of a round profile, I guess, on your head. For those who have the, more of a oval shape or an elongated shape, they recommend going with the, I believe, the twister. Yeah, it's the twister, which if you look here on the packaging, it tells you the different options here. So if you look here on the packaging, you can see it comes with the option for the twister or the blister. Again, the twister is going to be more so for those with longer kind of oval heads, while I have more of a round head, so I chose a round head helmet. So with that said, a couple things to note. It's got a styrofoam foam. I don't want to say styrofoam, but if you look down in there, it might be hard to see on the camera, but there's foam right in here. Well, right all in here, but the foam here, what happens is when it gets warm from just riding and the heat of the day and sun, as this thing is on your head and it's tight on your head, that foam will form to the shape of your head. And the good thing there is that makes it even more of a low profile helmet, so you don't have that mushroom head nonsense. So there's a lot to like about the helmet at face value. Everything seems super sharp, DOT certified, low profile, good warranty, veteran-owned company. But the real question is how does it fit on the head? How comfortable is it? How functional is it? And would I recommend this helmet? So in order to answer those questions, I need to get out on the scooter. I need to get this helmet on. So let's go ahead and fast forward to that, and then I'll meet you guys back here. Alrighty, so to wrap this video up, I would say I definitely recommend the MicroDOT Helmet Company half shell helmet for anybody that's in the market for one of these, or somebody that's in a state where helmets are required and you want to get something that is still safe but very minimal. This is definitely the way to go. These are affordable, feature-rich, aggressive warranty. Most importantly, veteran owned, so want to support those guys anytime we can. Another good thing is quick release here, huge bonus. I mean, this is super convenient, easy to get off.
That's what she said.
And before we get into some safety debate down in the comments below about that not being safe and all that, I do want to point out I have a full face helmet, and I am going to be doing a video on half shells versus full faces and all that. So save that for another time. We all know the risks of getting on these motorcycles alone before safety gear gets involved. So check out MicroDOT if you're in the market. I'm going to put a link in the description box below. Let me know if you have any questions about the helmet and fitment or anything like that. I'd be more than happy to help anybody out any way I can. Other than that, thanks for tuning into my channel. Check out the other videos. Stick around a while, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys. Peace.